Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn how to add square blur effect on Filmora. So, we have our sample video here. To add square blur effect, go to effects here and search for square blur. Drag and put on the video. To manage opacity and size of the blur, double click on the video and go to effects. Here you can manage your effect. But if we want to blur some parts of the video, you need to put the effect on the upside of the video like this. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.